So I took the back cover underneath, and there's a wiring that goes from the top, from the computer, goes all the way down under the frame, and I found 3 wires rubbed off. How shitty, Polaris. How do you do this? Wires touching the ground, shorting shit out. Not cool at all.